So we already bought the our new breakfast. So when I say breakfast, it's to break the fast, that the 24 hours or 36 hours fast that we are doing, the one that I mentioned to you earlier when we went to Starbucks. So everything was bought at, and we just came from Bulk Barn because we are just going to compare the price if it's cheaper here in Bulk Barn for their chia seeds and then walnuts for that breakfast food thingy that I was talking about. So they don't have a kefir and yogurt here, so it would make more sense that we would just buy at Costco. And Costco is just over there, and Bulk Barn is here. And actually, our intention was just to get the prices of chia seeds and then walnuts, but then look at this one. We bought these choco peanut butter, huh?
Bells.
Peanut butter bells. My coach is behind the camera. Peanut butter bells, and the cost is $7.98, huh? Plus tax. So it's around $9 for this bunch. So how is it?
Like a
Huh?
big Reese's.
Big Reese's? Oh, that's better.
That's Reese's.
It's Reese's?
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh.
Look at the pack.
Eh?
It says Reese's.
Oh, it's just Reese's? Oh my God, it's just Reese's. So right now, after at Milk Barn, we are on our way to Costco and check if the walnuts and chia seeds have better prices. If they have better prices, then we'll buy at Costco. If not, then we'll go to Bulk Barn. But for sure, the kefir, we're going to buy it here because they have the cheapest kefir. I wouldn't argue about it anymore because they are, huh?
The yogurt.
And then and then also the yogurt. I wouldn't argue with it anymore because it's always, they are the cheapest. You know why? Because we always buy the big ones. We don't buy the small ones. And if we are going to get the small ones, oh yes, of course, that one is cheap, but we buy the big ones, so we'll just buy at Costco. So we already bought the our new breakfast. So when I say breakfast, it's to break the fast, that the 24 hours or 36 hours fast that we are doing, the one that I mentioned to you earlier when we went to Starbucks. So everything was bought at Costco because it's cheaper. It's really cheaper in Costco. We already went to Bulk Barn. Unfortunately, Costco still has the cheaper option. So I have the receipt here. We spent around $60.25. So there you go. If you want to see it, if you could see that, then okay. If not, I'll try to take a picture of this one, and I hope I won't forget it. So okay. First is we bought this pack of walnuts. So the cost of this, it's $13.99, and then the weight is 1.36 kilograms. Next is the chia seeds. So chia seeds here, it's included on that breakfast. The size is the weight is another 1.36 kilograms, and it's also organic. So this is organic chia seed. So I don't know if it's, well, this is really organic, but yeah, I don't have any comments on any organic things. And the cost for this
Chia seeds is one pack is $11.49. Next is the almonds. So this pack is sliced almonds. So we chose sliced almonds because it is softer already. We didn't buy the ones which are kind of that we didn't buy the whole almonds because my teeth are kind of brittle already, so I don't want to break my my teeth. And the weight of this one is 700 grams. The price of this pack of almond is, how much is it? $10.79. Then next is, okay. Then this one, it's tri-berry or three-berry blend. It has the where's that? It has the raspberry, blueberries, and then blackberries already. So we are going to include that one, and the weight of this is 2 kilograms per pack, and then the price of this pack is $16. Oh yeah, $16.99. So the reason that we bought this three berry packs is we don't want to buy three separate packs anymore. Two reasons. First reason is I think it's gonna be cheaper, so I don't have to buy those three packs anymore. Then the second reason is we don't have a chest freezer yet, or small chest freezer. Can anyone sponsor? Joke. So we only have a freezer here, and then our freezer is kind of full already. So we just wanna maximize our freezer, and then also avoid any instances that what we bought won't fit anymore. And then last but not the least is this or these yogurts. So these are plain yogurts. There was a Greek yogurt there. Unfortunately, it's more expensive. So for now, we are just going to use the plain yogurt. But the recommended was Greek yogurt according to that article. And then there was a Kirkland brand yogurt. And then when we arrived there this evening at Costco, they don't have the stocks anymore. The boxes there were all scattered, and then we couldn't find any yogurt or any Greek yogurt anymore that has the brand of Kirkland, and of course that one is cheaper as well. So we are just going to use this one. So I guess so there's no more here. So I guess we already have all of the ingredients here for that for the food for our breakfast. So breakfast meaning food after our long fasting. So if you may be asking why are we fasting, there are a lot of reasons. It's everything is just for good health maintenance. We just want to fast, and then I don't know how many days this will last. We only fast twice a week, and we break our fast, of course, twice a week. So we'll see on how many weeks or days will these last, and that's all.